Hi my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your operating system version that you are using on your computer. Okay, click on this search icon. Then type in run. Tap to open. Tap on OK, and now you can see this message. Here you can see I'm using the latest version of Windows 10. OK, and another ways. Right-click on this PC. Then tap on Properties. OK, now you can see Windows Edition. Windows 10 Pro 2020 version. That's another way to check your version of operating system. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We meet in the next video.